welcome back everybody, and of course I hope y'all staying safe and staying away from corona. So today we're doing a hair tutorial on how to braid the hair. If you notice my background is different, I'm not home, I'm in Mandeville for school. If some of y'all not know, I am a student nurse. Yes. So of course we're going to need some braids. Eco gel, Ocean, it's not a must but I like to use it, and of course my olive oil for my scalp, little mousse and some spritz, crochet needle, elastic bands, small black elastic bands. So my hair is freshly washed, of course, and we're going to start by sectioning the back into 3 small parts. Make sure to oil your scalp so that your hair don't look dry and your scalp don't get itchy. So I'm using my famous olive oil and I'm massaging it into my scalp. If you notice, I use my mirror to make sure that my part is straight. And you just go ahead and section it into 3 parts. Right now I'm just adding some Ocean to get the hair neat and nice before I put the elastic band on it. Don't forget not to wrap your elastic band too tight, or when you use the crochet needle to put in the hair, it's going to get too tight and probably hurt your scalp or cause your hair to fall out because of the tension. So of course, you know, you have to frizz up the hair a bit to get little ends so that when you're twisting, it have the little ends. So you get a crochet needle, insert it either from top or side, it doesn't matter. Make sure the latch is open. You can roll it like I do here, but it's just to keep the hair in one. Put the hair in the latch, close it, and pull through on the other side. Remove the crochet needle and pull through one end of the hair. Of course, I always give front views, so this view is a bit messed up because my hand is in it, but don't worry, continue to watch the video. I slow it down very slow and I show the front part and side parts that has a better view. I'm using a little bit of Vaseline on my fingers because, as you know, braid very rough and it might cut up your fingers, so I use a little bit of Vaseline just to help the hair glide on my fingers. And you just twist. Bear in mind, this takes a long time because I did not cut my braid. It took me about 6 to 7 hours to complete my entire hair. So at this point, I am very proud of myself because this is the first time I'm actually braiding my hair. So I get a little bit jittery. I'm proud of myself every minute me looking at the mirror, but because it looks really nice. So now I'm going to show you a view from the side view. Hopefully that's a better view. I'm just adding some ocean as I did before. I had already oiled the scalp. And you want to get the front neat and nice, so make sure all the little stray hairs, you use the ocean to get them together. And just wrap it with your black elastic band. Of course, frizz out your hair end because you need the little ends. Get your crochet needle and you insert it. Make sure the hook part is open. You can wrap it like that. Insert it into the hook there. Close the latch thing and pull it through. Remove the crochet needle and pull through one end of the braid. Even it up. You can add a little Vaseline to your finger if you like and just twist. Easy peasy, don't. I'm rope twisting because if you do a loose twist, then it won't give you the effect that you need. So it has to be a rope twist. So right now I'm full of myself because my ear halfway done. I'ma soon get for show it off. I wanna know I love show off a nice clean hairstyle them, of course. So I'm going to show the tutorial one more time. So look closely. I slow the video down, so look closely at my steps. Put on your elastic band. Frizz out your braid. Get your crochet needle, insert it into the hair. Put the braid into the crochet needle, the little hook part. Close the latch and pull it through. Pull one end of the braid through. Even it up. And twist. Only can't tell me say that not easy. That's very easy. That is so easy. You just twist. As I said before, you can add a little Vaseline, you know, to help with the friction on your fingers and the hair.